Once there was a wise Zen master who was highly respected and revered by the people in his village. They sought his guidance and wisdom in their daily lives. One day, a young man approached the Zen master and said, "Master, I want everyone to respect me. What should I do?" The Zen master looked at the young man and smiled. He said, "If you want to earn the respect of others, there are 6 habits that you should leave behind." Curious, the young man asked, "What are these habits, master?" The Zen master replied, "Judgment. Stop judging others and yourself. When you judge, you create division and separation. Embrace acceptance and understanding instead. Anger. Release anger from your heart. Anger clouds the mind and blocks the path to peace and harmony. Replace it with compassion and forgiveness. Attachment. Let go of attachments to material possessions, relationships, and outcomes. Attachment leads to suffering. Embrace detachment and find freedom in the present moment. Ego. Put aside your ego and the need to prove yourself to others. The ego creates a false sense of self-importance and prevents genuine connections. Resentment. Release any grudges or resentment you hold towards others. Holding on to negative emotions only harms yourself. Replace resentment with love and understanding. Negativity. Transform negative thoughts and attitudes into positive ones. Negative energy drains your vitality and affects those around you. Embrace positivity and spread joy and optimism. The young man listened attentively to the Zen master's words, realizing the wisdom they held. He thanked the master and pledged to work on letting go of these habits. As the young man gradually incorporated these teachings into his life, he noticed a profound change. People began to respect him not because of his accomplishments or status, but because of his inner transformation. His newfound humility, compassion, and positive energy inspired others to do the same. And so, the young man learned that true respect comes not from external factors, but from embodying qualities that uplift and inspire those around us. The power to earn respect lies within each individual, waiting to be awakened by the abandonment of harmful habits and the embrace of virtuous qualities.